In a part 1 of a LCR meter video, we already introduced about the buttons of LCR meter. Now we are going to check how to measure resistor by using LCR meter. How to measure resistor value by using LCR meter. So this is a positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Okay. By default, capacitor is selected and dissipation factor. Okay. For resistor, there is no positive, no negative. Points are there. So I have connected negative and positive to resistor. Okay. Then select resistor. It is a 128 ohm. Okay. Now change frequency. 100 hertz 128.25, 10 kilohertz 128.27, 1 kilohertz 128.26. So the first observation, and it is very important, that resistor value is not depend on frequency. Resistor value is not depend on frequency. If I change frequency, then there is no effect on a resistance value. It is a 128 ohm, 128 ohm, 128 ohm. Okay. I want to measure the capacitor value by using LCR meter, or what is the practical value of a capacitor. Okay. This is a capacitor is having a 270 microfarad. It's printed on capacitor. It is having two terminals, positive and negative. So positive terminal, I'm going to connect red, and negative terminal black. Okay. Now select capacitor. Okay. Capacitor is selected. For 1 kilohertz, it shows me value 435 microfarad. Okay, 1 kilohertz, and my dissipation factor is 0.4603. Now for a 100 hertz frequency, 448.5, my dissipation factor is a 0.0740. For 10 kilohertz, it is showing me negative value. Okay. So the value of a capacitor, practical value at 1 kilohertz is a 434, and at 100 hertz 448. If I check 1 kilohertz, dissipation factor is 0.4642, and 100 hertz 0.0744. Ideal capacitor is not dissipate, so dissipation value should be very minimum. Okay. So this is reading for capacitor, that 448.2 practical value microfarad, and dissipation factor 0.0746. And what is the observation? That capacitor value is depend on frequency. If I change frequency, then my capacitance XC is going to change. So that's why whenever we are using capacitor, or whenever we are designing a circuit which is having a capacitance value, then it is very important at which frequency the circuit is going to operate. Now this is another capacitor. It is 1 microfarad capacitor, but it is not having any polarity, so you can connect positive, negative, no issue. If my frequency is 100 hertz, capacitance is 90 nanofarad. Okay. 91, my dissipation factor is 0.0499. At 10 kilohertz, 84, 85.15, dissipation factor is 0.0305. At 1 kilohertz, 88.71, 0.0334. Okay. So at 100 hertz, I am getting a maximum capacitance value. Okay. And my dissipation factor is minimum. So this is a difference between practical and theoretical value. It is a 1 microfarad capacitor, but practically it is giving a highest value 92.68 nanofarad.
For more information of this topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel Pinnacle.